What is HTMX servers? I think that's target error. Target. Woo. Okay, yeah, works. Hey, what's up? It's Takuya here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a learn with me type of the videos. So I'm gonna learn a new technology and I'd like you to learn with me. And today you've got a nice singing bowl here. I love this sound. It helps me focus when I started coding. It's very soothing. So let's relax. Take a deep breath. Cool. Let's get started. Today I'm gonna learn HTMX. Have you ever heard it? I hear that it is for rendering the web pages, but it helps communicate between the web server. So it is not like just a server-side framework. It is for the client side, like React or Angular, but it looks similar to HTML, just like React, but it lets you directly write how the browser interact with the server, and that's what I know. That's all what I know at the moment. So I don't know anything about how actually you can use it and how much efficiently you can build websites, web apps with HTMX. So this is actually the first time I try HTMX, and this time I'm gonna take a note while learning how to use HTMX. So let's create HTMX, and yeah, I'll take a note while learning HTMX. So it will be helpful to know how I actually learn new technologies and how taking tech notes helps you learn efficiently. So yeah, let's do it. So what is HTMX in the first place? Okay, so HTMX 2.0 has been released. Is it like recently? It is not currently marked as latest. Okay, so it is currently in alpha or beta or release candidate stage. So you don't have to try it at the moment, I guess. Okay, so HTMX gives you access to AJAX, CSS transitions, WebSockets, and server-sent events directly in HTML. Okay, that's so my understanding, it looks like correct at the moment. And using attributes, so you can build modern user interfaces with the simplicity and the power of hypertext. Okay. So it is a client-side framework where you can directly annotate how you would like to interact with your servers. I think that's correct. And motivation, why is it necessary? So why should only A and form be able to make HTTP requests? And why should only click and submit events to get them? Why should only get and post methods be available? Yeah, that makes sense. So HTML is so limited when you wanna build web apps. So yeah, these questions make much sense. So they extended HTML to be able to specify how to send requests, like post and where to swap the content, I guess. And HX post. Alright, so let's copy and paste this example code. Okay. So example code. So just note, so how you can write HTMX here. And when your user clicks on this button, and AJAX requests to /clicked, and replace the entire button with the HTML response. Entire. So outer HTML means the entire. I don't understand. So let's get next page. Where is the tutorial? Quick start. Okay, let's try it. I guess you don't have to install the npm package. Let's create HTMX to try HTMX. Yeah, in it, and XML, and you can simply paste. Yeah. So it loads HTMX from unpackage.com. So it is already ready to open it in the browser. So we have HTMX HTML and the file /HTML, right? Okay. And but so we don't have the server yet, so it will cause an error, I guess. Yeah, but it issued an post request. It issued a post request as expected. So, right? Yeah, it is a cause error. cross origin resource. Forget. I forgot. Cross origin resource security or something error. So we have to set up a server for using HTMX. Okay, let's do it later. And read the doc's introduction for more in-depth direction. Okay. In a nutshell, introduction. Okay. Migration. So is it already 2.0.1? All right. By CDN. Pack view. So is there any template project available? I guess just reading doesn't help me understand. Yeah, I'd like to get a template project to get started. Oh no, you redirect to Google. Okay. HTMX template project. How to build it? Go. Okay. Awesome. Sure. Blog posts. Django, HTML, Go integration compatible in HTTP. Rails, Giraffe, IntelliJ, Code Igniter. Can't you use it with on Vercel? Okay, so you need to set up a server. There are some template projects for using this Go and Rails, like Django, Rails. I wanna use Node.js or BAM for server side. HTMX. What can I search? Should I search? So Vercel, is it possible to use it on Vercel? HTMX.js is a server-side framework for HTMX. Oh, really? So where is the official repository? It is by Big Sky Software. Okay. And, there is also an organization called HTMX.js. HTMX.js. It has only one. It's not popular and no longer maintained. Okay. Okay. Alright. Alicia boilerplate. It is also no longer maintained. Okay. This time I guess I can use Hono.js. Hono. That's what I learned in the previous session that I posted on my second channel. So I forgot what was Hono.js. So I remember that I also learned Hono.js here, and yeah. So let's use Hono.js for the server side. Yeah, server side program. So I learned Hono.js, and I failed it to use on the Vercel, but basically it works pretty well. So I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it. So let's install Hono. And it allows you to use JSX to render the response. So let's copy and paste it. Okay, so make it server index.ts. Can't find the image. Okay. So index.tx. It works. Yes. Logo. Can't find name React. Yeah, I completely forgot how to use it. Let's just use their code here, and quick start latest npm create. Okay. So server create Hono. Okay. Target, let's call it server. Fast3, Next.js, Vercel, Xbasic. Okay, let me just try Node.js this time. Do you want to install project this? Let's chill. Cool. Server. Okay. New client. Emulation of file to client. Yeah, package.json to client. Yeah, that's clean. And so what it looks like the server package.json. So it installs the node type and TSX node server. So you can start there by running there. Alright. Error. Why? Other thing use. Okay, that's because I use port 3000 for other purpose. So I wanna change the port. I guess one. Is that possible? No. Unfortunately, it's not possible. Watch TSX. Watch. What actually does it do? Oh, okay. All I have to do was to change the port variable. So no, server dev. Yeah, it is currently running on port 3001. And let's type it. Parse one, hello Hono. Now it should be possible to render the implement the clicked entry point API. Clicked hello Hono. You clicked the button. Alright, so I'd like to I'd like to output the HTML. I'd like to send this HTML from Hono.js, and how to do that. So Hono lets you send simple text by using text. And is there any other method for? Yeah, that's it. So I wanna use this HTML. So maybe let's see it. That looks cool. So let's use it. Okay. So this time I don't need this note. Alright. So yeah, it works pretty well with HonoJS. So you create an index page, and you can implement it with HonoJS like so, and you can this. So it'd be nice to paste this link. Okay. And you can return HTML by doing so. Right. That's cool. So import HTML raw from Hono.html, and the new Hono index c.html doc-type HTML. Nice. So h1 hello. Does it work? Does it work? Noise. And you can also use, yep. Oh, actually, I noticed that the syntax highlighting is working in this HTML string literal. That's cool. So it should be returned HTMX. Wow, okay. Now it should be possible to send a HTTP request. Really nice. It works. Everyone, welcome to HTMX. So I managed to get it to work like so. So entry point would be looks like this, and you can, yeah, you can create like this. Nice. So you no longer need a client repository. All right. So that's interesting. Wait, what's next? Okay, so it is recognized as HTML. Is that right? Not found. Oh, it's post. Post. Hello. Is text plain? Text, not text plain. Yeah. So let's create. Okay. It recognized as HTML. Nice. Here. Okay. It looks like a charm. Oh, nice. So Hono supports children props. So you can create a template. Alright. So you don't have to write JavaScript to send the post requests and replace the DOM with the response data, which is nice. Each x/ is the common prefix. So hx is the common prefix for in HTML. Syntax. And trigger modifiers. A trigger can also have a few additional modifiers that change its behavior. For example, if you want a request to only happen once, you can use the once modifier for the trigger. Makes sense. So it only triggers once. When mouse enter, it sends a post request to /mouse entered. Here mouse. But where the, so it specifies the outer HTML, but inner HTML. Okay, so if you why an error? quickly. So if you change this to inner HTML, please, what happened? What happened? Yeah, so it replaces the inner HTML of the button element.
A few moments later.
So okay. So there is so it's import some CSS files. So there is a base.css and index.css. Yeah, it's okay. It is pretty simple. So this is has nothing to do with HTMX itself. So where is HTMX script? Here. So it was HTMX and hyperscript. Okay. Why hyperscript? Why hyperscript? Easy approach language model front ends. So that's gonna be another story. But the version is quite old. I don't know why. It's because the ToDoMVC project is pretty old now. So I guess it is from this project. I guess. View on hyperscript. No, really. Oh, I don't understand. But let's ignore it. So yeah, it is. Okay, so HX target. Oh, nice. Okay, so you can specify, I guess, target, right? After beginning. If I'm right, no, please, HX target. The ID of the target element if it exists. Okay, so let's try it. Let's create before. I believe it's used before begin, after begin, and yeah, ID equal swap me. Oops. Yep. Okay. Alright, so let's try it. HTMX demo. No? Oh, I forgot to specify the target. So HX target is swap me. HX target swap me. Okay, it should work. Target error. Why? Because I forgot to append the sharp. Ooh. Okay, so you can change inner HTML. I guess it's alright. Replaced. Yeah, it works. That is cool. Oh, you can use it like so. Nice. Okay, I think it's time to wrap up. So this was looks great. So you can easily integrate with the server without writing JavaScript code. I think if you wanna avoid to write complex JavaScript code for the client side, it would be very useful. HTMX would be very, very useful. So you can quickly build web apps, simple web apps, like this example project. Like To would be one of the complicated apps, so you can use it for building any web apps basically. But I thought it would be nice for simple web apps, because I guess you wanna write some logics on the client side instead of the server side. So I guess you'll end up writing some JavaScript code, like authentications or client-side processing, data processing, something like that. So it is not solves everything, yeah, but it is nice. It looks so nice. I like it. Yeah. So that's it. So thank you. And I'm gonna share this note publicly here, so you can view what I take today on the web here. So I put the link down below, so please check it out. So I hope it's helpful for take notes in your workflow. And yeah, I hope you learned what is HTMX, how to use HTMX as well. So yeah, so that's it. So by the way, I recently created a Discord server for the Inkdrop users, so where you can hang out with the other users and motivate each other. So it would be helpful for learning how to take notes and get inspirations like this. So I've been running this server with close friends, and I've been trying to figure out how to set up the Discord server for my use case, and yeah, it's been working great. So my friends have been sharing their what they learned by sharing their notes on the web. So Federico shares one of the notes here. So he learned about SVG, and yeah, it's been so nice to see what they learned through their tech notes, and it is so inspiring, and I found myself it's very fun to do that. So please come and join us if you have an Inkdrop account. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing you on the server. Thank you for watching and have a productive day. Let's chill.